What's going on, guys? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our new retractable bed step for your 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500. Let's get into it.
Our retractable bed step for 2014 to 2018 Chevy and GMC 1500 trucks makes it easy to hop on up into the bed of your truck, regardless of the circumstances. The step tucks up and out of the way when not in use, and you can easily extend it by stepping down on the pad when your hands are full and retract it when done. Designed with convenience and durability in mind, this low-profile step makes it convenient to access the truck bed day in and day out. Whether you're loading gear, reaching for tools, or simply hopping into the bed, this is the simple upgrade your truck's been missing. The procedure outlined in this video is for 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
So to start, we're going to grab our main linkage here, and then we're going to grab our main support bracket. We're going to set these two top of each other like that. Take the two combo bolts that are provided in your kit, and then thread them into the holes that are next to each other. Next, take one of the regular hex bolts, a lock washer and a flat washer, and then thread them into the one spot that's by itself. And now with those three bolts threaded in, we can go ahead and tighten these down.
With the main assembly turned on its side, slide the support bracket underneath the main bracket and secure it with the last two 13mm combo bolts. Don't tighten it down fully, we'll adjust it later.
So for the next step, we're going to be taking our step pad, flip it over, and then we're going to take our T-bolts that were provided in the kit, and we're going to line them up in these holes. And we're going to stagger the setup here. And now that we've got a bolt in each slot, we're going to take one of the flat washers and then nylon lock nuts, and we're going to thread them on. And just like the last bolts we did, we're going to leave these loose, as because we're going to want to adjust this once we get it on the truck. So to start, we're going to need to remove these two 18mm nuts and then the bolt plate they're actually attached to behind it. And then we're going to have to remove this lower bolt here for your shackle. And that is actually where our bed step is going to mount to. So let's get on with that. And then once that's removed, we can go ahead and just pop that through. And then we don't need to hang on to any of this hardware. Now we're going to remove this 21mm nut. So we're doing this with a ratcheting wrench. So you need to get on this bolt. And then you're also going to want to hold this at the end here. That's a 10mm. And that'll just allow you to loosen the bolt.
Next, insert the bolt plate from your kit and use the two plastic retainers to keep it in place while we install the main step assembly. It also might be easier to position the main assembly first, then slide the bolt plate in place, depending on your individual setup. With the main assembly now in place, install the hardware on your support brackets using a flat washer, lock washer, and one of the 18mm nuts on each of the studs. Next, we're going to install the 21mm hardware on the leaf shackle stud. Remember to hold the 10mm wrench on the end of the stud to keep it from spinning while tightening. Then, fully tighten down the two 13mm nuts on the secondary bracket. Lastly, adjust the step pad to your liking and fully tighten down the hardware to lock it in place.
Alright guys, now that we've just finished installing our retractable bed step, we just added something pretty sweet to our truck. If you want to check out some other products we have for your truck, check out our website at boostauto.com. And for that, I'll see you in the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.